grenade!
Oh my god! Ah!
Oh! Alright, game over. Staff Sergeant Manriquez, and we currently have a situation. We're bomb squatting right now because, well, the grenade didn't blow up, and it looks like it's about to blow up, and no one wants to touch it. So I'm gonna let Manriquez. I would laugh so hard if that blew up right now.
Oh, I missed.
This is what professional bomb squad techs do to people. Dude, the bottom looks like it's gonna rip. Kick it as hard as you can. Like full out soccer kick it.
You get one? That'll work.
Drop it. Let him drop it on top of it. Try to drop it on the back portion of it. Drop it on the back portion of it. Drop it on the back. Get it really high up off the ground. Drop it on the back portion. Holy.
Here. Here, move. Hang on. Oh, that's tight.
Try unscrewing it really, really slow.
Huh?
Unscrew it really, really slow.
Oh, gosh. No.
Put it in your hat. Take your hat, put it in your hat, and then unscrew the top. Just slowly unscrew it. Slowly unscrew it. Very slowly. Very, very slowly.